Hello everyone, I'm here in my kitchen today because I want to show you how to make a smoothie. I just came back from my morning workout, so I'm kind of craving something with a little more protein and a little more flavor than just my regular blueberry smoothie that I normally post about. And so I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I have everything ready, so it won't take too long, and hopefully this will be insightful to anyone who's interested in trying more smoothie flavors or trying a different recipe, because let's face it, having more recipes is never a bad idea. So with that, let's just get right to it. Okay, so first things first, I always gotta start with my greens because you need vegetables in your life. Let's just put it that way. You can never go wrong with vegetables, and you'll never taste it, trust me, I never do, especially the way I make it. Even though it always says it's triple washed, I like to wash my greens, so there you go, little wash, 2 handfuls. First step done. Next up, I actually use these dates. These are Deglet Noor or something like that, Deglet Noor dates, but any dates work. Preferably Medjool dates are a lot sweeter and juicier, so I would recommend those. You can do 3 to 4 of those. For this, I like to do, I don't know, 5 to 6 of the Deglet Noor dates, so here's 5. Just because it's a little more, I don't know, sweeter drink than the other smoothie I make, I'm gonna do 6 or 7 there. Next up, we got chia seeds. It doesn't matter what seeds you choose. You can do flax, chia, hemp hearts. They're all the same, or pretty damn similar. Omega-3s, good protein level, and a lot of fiber. And actually, there's not too much left, so I'm just gonna put the rest. That's like 2 tablespoons. That's normally what I put. Okay, and now finally we can add the protein powder. It doesn't really matter which one you get, and if you don't have a chocolate protein powder like this, this is just some my sister got, you can always just use cacao powder, and the cacao powder, I would say probably a tablespoon is fine. I'm just gonna put a scoop of whatever this thing is and call it a day. It has enough chocolate flavor and chalky protein flavor as well. But whatever you got works. Next up, we got our, of course, you know me, I can never go with a smoothie without turmeric, so put some turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon. And as always, pairing up the turmeric with some black pepper. It adds a little kick to the smoothie, but who cares? You don't really notice it, doesn't ruin the flavor or anything, just do it. Now I have my peanut butter, but this one's kind of empty, so I'm gonna open up another one and grab the rest. But I'll grab what I can from this one. And I would say about a tablespoon or 2, depending on how peanutty you want it. I love peanut butter, so I'll probably put like 2 tablespoons worth when I open that other package. But yeah, you get the point. Just if you know how much you like peanut butter, so just make your own decisions. You won't be disappointed. Now, for the main event, bananas. You know me, frozen, always. Just froze the 40 pounds last night. So for this one, I would say about 3 to 5 bananas. I'm gonna go for 4, so that's 1. I cut these into like quarters, so roughly 4 of these is 1 banana. Roughly. So, oh, that's not good. There you go. There you go, 3.5 semi-frozen bananas. As you can see, that's pretty much all it is. About, what, 3-4 bananas, a bunch of seasonings, and then some greens, and then the dates. Because that's all the chocolate banana smoothie needs, is that flavor, the peanut butter, and that chocolate powder. So without further ado, let's just blend her up. And with that, you have your chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie. There's not much to it. It doesn't really look like chocolate banana, but that's fine. The greens are helpful. And I know most people like to watch chefs eat their creations, or eat the final product. So without further ado, let's just do it. Yeah, perfect every time. Honestly, All you really have to focus on is getting really ripe bananas, some dates, and then some cacao powder or some sort of chocolate protein. And that's all you really need. You don't need the greens, you don't need the turmeric, stuff like that. Sure, those are kind of bonuses, and I just like to have like a more nutritious meal. But at the end of the day, if you just want to have a chocolate banana smoothie, you can do it. And with some that peanut butter is honestly what does it for me. But if you don't like peanut butter, you can do almond butter, cashew butter, whatever. Doesn't really matter. But definitely try it out. I do it with water, by the way, the liquid, but you can do it with milk or whatever you want. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day. Almond milk, cashew milk, soy milk. They're all really good. Soy milk being my favorite. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. I hope the video was valuable to you. And maybe you'll try this smoothie out. I know whenever I give people my chocolate banana smoothies, they really end up enjoying it. And so I figured I might as well do a video on it because, well, why not? So until next time. Peace.
Man, y'all just don't know about this life I'm living right now, man. I'm just fucking loving life, bro. Just gotta love that life, bro.